Hello and welcome. In this guide, I'll walk you through the complete process of entering merchant fees in QuickBooks Online. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to record fees accurately and keep your books organized. First, sign into QuickBooks Online. Open your browser, go to quickbooks.intuit.com, and log in using your correct credentials. Make sure everything is typed in carefully to avoid login issues. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Deposit. This is where the process of entering your merchant fees begins. Next, choose the correct bank account. It's important that you select the account that's linked to your merchant transactions, so deposits and fees are tracked in the right place. Now, set the deposit date. Always make sure the date you enter matches the actual date of the transaction. This ensures your records stay accurate and properly reflect your financial timeline. At this point, you'll add the merchant fee. You can do this by selecting an existing fee account, or if you don't already have one, create a new account specifically for merchant fees. Here's the critical step: enter the fee as a negative amount. By doing this, the fee offsets your total deposit and keeps the numbers correct. Before saving, take a moment to carefully review all of the information you've entered: the account, the date, and the negative fee entry. Double checking now will help you avoid mistakes and maintain accuracy in your books. Once everything looks good, save the entry. Congratulations! You've just completed the process of entering merchant fees in QuickBooks Online. By recording these fees properly, you'll maintain clear, accurate financial records, which is essential for effective bookkeeping and business management. That's it for this tutorial. Now you know exactly how to enter merchant fees in QuickBooks Online the right way.